Breaking chart for Bitcoin. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Take a look at this unique chart. I have identified and laid out the monthly 20 moving average on Bitcoin. I've identified and laid out the 20 moving average here on the weekly instead. So we've got the monthly in orange. In green, we have the weekly. Then we have the daily in blue, the 20 moving average. Now, how is this relevant? I want to show you how we are currently tied up and the relevance along this level of support. Yes, as we would look at the level of resistance, first of all, for the bump and run pattern, you know the lead in, the bump, and we need the run, guys, but we need to break out of that level of resistance. What's important foremost about the specific daily moving average, it's riding that specific level of resistance. You see the level of resistance on the bump and run pattern. Hit the like button, VIP. What's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Glad we're trading. Now, that specific 20 moving average on the daily is riding that line of resistance on the bump and run. The weekly, however, is almost riding up along this level of support, which is a critical level right now as buyers look to enter into a long position along this level of support. So you have the weekly that's just winding up along this level of support. Then you have the wild card, okay? The wild card, I'm going to say, is this heavy laden macro level of resistance, this monthly that is the entirety nearly of that bump and run. See that, guys, just parallel travel down along that level of resistance on the bump and run. Now, the important thing is as you look for a pickup, and let's talk before we talk about a pickup. In terms of the qualifier that a 20 moving average is, it is the litmus test. Over is bullish, under is bearish, with targets to the upside, standard deviations above on a Bollinger Band or below on a Bollinger Band, guys. You may also use our fire and ice, which worked very well today on your alts. Way to travel with that quality indicator. I'll tell you, if you're out of town, bring it. It's that good. It hammered. XRP hit a perfect hit into the green byline today on that fire and ice. Way to trade, guys. In terms of the level of support, I want to encourage you the following. Right now, as we're looking at potential for an early send-off through this specific 20 moving average on the daily, that'd be nice. We wouldn't even come into contact with this level of support that is indicated from the preceding pivots. Now, we could stop short here on the weekly and surprise people and leave them a little, guys, a little bit empty-handed were they to just place orders along the specific level of support on the trend line with the weekly, right? Though it looks like we're coming into an effectual hit with that trend line. And the wild card here is going to be the monthly. This monthly, which is stepped below the specific trend line here. That monthly is guys, could frustrate anyone trying to pick up just flatly on that support line. I wanted you to be prepared for the specific 20 moving average on the monthly because it could throw a little chaos into the equation. Not that Bitcoin has a reputation for throwing a little chaos into the equation, but if we were to stop short, it would be because we got up and over, back up and over after today releasing this specific threshold up and above requirement for a bull trend up and over that 20 moving average daily. The specific stop short could occur if it occurs quickly on that weekly, and we could frustrate, okay? It could be a little chaotic if we pour down through to that 20 moving average on the monthly. I'm working on this indicator, publishing it, and along with that, we're also working on an auto draw function. Also working on machine learning. I have to be personally involved in these indicators because, guys, it's just a quality issue. Our fire and ice works so well. You know, our fire and ice indicator caught the bottom of Bitcoin. Our cap line pack is working so well. Just look at this short here, boom, on Solana. That's a beautiful short, guys. That's a big, heavy money, nice short on the hourly there for our cap line indicator. Congrats to all the VIP that are trading. Take a look at some of the pickups that we got on QKD, a quantitative kernel delimiter. Want to talk about XRP, for instance, was really, really nice. We've been looking at scheduling in on XRP and just take a look, bam, right into our green buy line. That is choice. Very nicely done. Let's look at SHIB. By the way, SHIB had a nice hit as well. Was it the 4 hourly? You see the specific lower pro line. Bam, dead on, guys. Beautiful moves, I have to say. I get to say, in terms of that, we're looking for some lower action on our alts. Congrats to all the VIP that are trading. Wanted to bring this to your attention in terms of I'd say the pre-prototype that you're looking at now in terms of those buyers and sellers' interest. You'll be able to see here, for instance, how easily your chart is cleaned up with the Guys, the specific levels that are just magnified and brought into focus to try and assist you to save some time, to be more productive with your charts, and to be more efficient with your pattern identification. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Way to trade. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. Guys, let's go get them. Let's rock this market. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.